Hello and welcome to Rhonda Said. I'm Rhonda, loving saying things, and tonight I'm getting ready to go to a drag dinner. What? Yes, there's going to be drag queens, voguing, and dinner. So that's going to be a lot of fun, and I'm going to try to do a big shiny glitter moment, which I have not done in a long time. And I have some loose glitter, I have some glitter glue, and I have a palette that I'm going to use to be the base, and it is the Bottle Blonde from Trixie Cosmetics, and it's one of my favorite palettes, and it's super beautiful. We're gonna put it on. Please like, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell down below. I'd appreciate it. I'm gonna start by going into Roller Set. Which is just beautiful. It's a great transition color, and it blends out excellently. So pretty. And that looks super cool. We love it. That looks good. I'm liking it. I'm loving it. Let's get another brush. And I'm going to go into, what is this? Wig. There's a shimmer. That looks pretty. It's a little bit darker than Roller Set, but we're just going for soft, natural colors. Something that'll look good. I am going to go into a little bit of a depth for the outside corner with Frenemy. Oh, Ruby's in here making cute little noises. That looks great. It's just giving it some depth. Trying to blend it out as much as I can. That looks so pretty. And then on my lid, I'm going to use my finger and get into polished and put that on. And that's beautiful. It's going on nice and easy. And that's also where I'm going to be putting my glitter on. So we're going to get a little bit of glitter glue. And this is the NYX glitter glue. I haven't used it in a minute. I'm just going to put some right here on top of this light shimmer. And then I'm going to open this bottle of glitter, pack some on my finger, and then tap on. Just enough to really make my look pop. Which is great. So I'll do the same for this other side. A little bit of glitter glue. Just tapping it on. I'm going to put the lid on it. Wipe off the finger. Cover it with the glitter. I haven't put glitter on in so long. That wasn't like in a palette or something. But there's definitely a place and time for loose glitter, and today is the place and the time. Now, I'm not done there. I'm going to take my black eyeliner from Haus Labs, and I'm going to make a wing. That looks super cute. And then we have it for both sides. Very retro 60s go-go. And then we're going to do some mascara. And I will be right back. Voila, we have the mascara on. And for my lip, I'm going to be wearing a very cool top. I'm going to do something a little precious, a little pink. It's number 15, Lover from Maybelline Super Matte Stay Ink. And that is a super cute look. I'm obviously not going to wear this boring black t-shirt. Oh my goodness. Bingo. That was cats. Delightful. I want to thank you so much for being with me here today. I hope you have a great day or day of your choice. And I hope you enjoy my little glitter glamour look. And we'll see you real soon. Bye.